Ajak makan lah.
Oh, nah gitu ya, Bang.
Ada yang
Masih macet anak. Oh, nak menang soalnya.
waktu ingat waktu fleksibel anak ke Dipra paling sih jam 3 hari aman tuh, setengah 3 lah.
Oh, gitu.
Oh, yang market di bahu nih kena macet.
Oh, ada sini kena macet sini.
Nana pokoknya atur ya, makannya betul ya.
Ya.
Pretty. Wow. How gorgeous. Wow. Huge one. We're climbing up here. Absolutely beautiful. Slowly, slowly. Following the bus. Wow. So high up, still climbing, but too cloudy to see Mount Ogoh today. Strawberries up here because it's a bit cooler. This is where Alice and I came last year on our way to Munduk. Dogs and monkeys.
Together.
All the dogs and the monkeys. Baby monkeys. There's a little monkey. Oh, he's got a water bottle. Wow, he's got it the wrong way around. Oh my goodness. Don't do it, kid. Oh my goodness. Here come two more. Going downhill again. Hoping to see blue skies again in a minute. out of the clouds now.
So you can call this city Lion King.
Lion King, I like it. Singaraja.
Singaraja.
But now it's smaller than Denpasar?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For the city, I mean, yeah.
Mm.
But for the area, Singaraja is very big area.
Right.
Almost half of Bali.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
From east to the
Ah.
west.
It's a new part of Bali for me. I'd never been here before.
That's your first time.
Yeah.
This city look
Yeah.
locally,
Yeah.
not many tourists.
Yeah, I like it.
Let's say Lovina and Singaraja is real Bali.
Yes.
In Denpasar, it mix already.
Yeah.
A lot of people from outside.
Yes.
Over there. Right?
Yeah.
From Java, from Lombok.
Yeah.
From around the world.
Yes.
That statue we call Sukarno. Sukarno is first president of Indonesia.
Ah.
Yeah, Sukarno.
Wow. Amazing.
Wow.
Wow, wow, wow.
Real.
Really incredible.
They're preparing for tomorrow.
Ah.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Big ceremony because this is central of city.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. Wow.
And also they block the road.
Yes. Wow. There's another.
No head.
No head. His head's coming, I think.
Maybe.
There's a pole ready for a head. Yeah, maybe they're saving the head for a big reveal.
Yeah, for surprise.
Yeah.
Another one.
Oh, missed him. Oh, big one.
This
Oh, and
big
another one. Look at this one. Whoa, the biggest one yet. Whoa.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Too big.
How do they lift it?
They need extra people to
Oh my
correct.
goodness.
Not enough with 20.
Yeah.
It's not enough. This one too.
Oh wow.
Big one.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Wow. So cool. Oh, it's going to be amazing here tomorrow.
But we stay far away from
Yes, yes,
here. Here is central of city.
yes. Wow. We've got blue skies down here, but that is where we were, up in the hills.
Lovina.
Amazing.
Now we are in Lovina already.
Yay. We made it.
But now need 10-minute drive off hills
Okay.
to find our film. Beach on the right side.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. The local situation. This is on our right that we call Pura Dalam, one of 3 village temple.
Okay.
Pura Dalam.
Right.
Pura is temple.
Yep. are.
And now we're going down to the villa. They are our garden.
Oh, I see. Wow. We're here. Exciting.
Waiting for Putu. Putu's coming. His name is Putu.
Putu.
Yeah. Very shy man.
Wow.
Yes, speaking English very little.
Wow.
Welcome.
Yay! Okay, we are here, or I am here. I'm literally the only person here other than the gardeners right now. This is really, really stunning. Let's show you around before anybody arrives. So we have a seating area. This is going to be extremely well used. We have our kitchen area. There's an outdoor table there, but it doesn't look all that comfortable. I'm not sure if there are seats that go there or what there is, but look at that view over the rice fields. Then we have our dining area. Absolutely stunning. And there's even a little like kids gamey area here. And then around this side we have rooms. So we have one room, two rooms, three rooms, four rooms, all in a row, right close to the heart of everything. And then over here, haven't even been over here yet, you can see we have the pool. You can hear music from somewhere. Look at this. Oh, it's an outdoor shower around here. And then sunbeds. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Wow. Absolutely incredible. And then look at that. That is asking for evening sessions, is it not? Oh my gosh, we're going to have the most extraordinary time. Look at this place. Wow. And then all the way over on the other side over there is the guest house where there are two more rooms. So from up here, you can go down to the garden. I haven't done this yet either. I don't know where to go, there's so many options. All this space. All this gorgeous space. Wow. Oh, look at that. Oh. Let's look at this little seat. What a spot. Oh. And then if we come up here, there's a little swing. Oh, gosh. Incredible. And then this is the guest house. So there's an upstairs and a downstairs. I'm staying in the upstairs. Have our own protector up there. There's our yoga shala. Oh. And then, oh my goodness, look at this. This is the other downstairs room. Oh, is there a little secret access here? Oh, there is. Oh, hello. So it's a twin room down here. Gorgeous view. And let's see where this links to. Oh, it goes to my room. Perfect. How incredible. Okay, so I've just come down here to check out. Oh, hello, little butterfly. Let's check out the yoga shala. How stunning is this? Wow. Oh. Wow. Wow, that was some thunder. That just, oh, here comes the wind. Whoa, I guess it's about to rain. Look at that. Maybe I should move before I get soaked. Gorgeous. Not disappointed with any element of this. Wow. 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 So blue skies, and then over here, over the rice fields, I just saw fork lightning, and I can hear the thunder. So who knows what's about to happen? Don't know if we're going to get it or not. Thunder is rolling. Look, blue skies at the beach. But definite storms over that way and behind us. Pouring with rain, and there are 3 girls having massages over by the pool. Hopefully they're not getting wet over there. Bliss. I just feel like it's about to lift and lighten. Here we go. Sunrise trip. Oh yeah. I feel like they're going to come up right next to us. Hopefully. Hopefully they'll all push them away.
I think I have stories about yoga. This is gorgeous.
It's amazing.
I mean, I'm seeing no dolphins, but I don't really care.
I know. I
Oh,
don't
sorry,
care.
I'm just like accidentally.
Straight ahead. Yeah, in the middle, yeah. There, yeah.
Look at them. Oh, how many is that?
Can't tell. There's usually more underneath, so they'll be gone now. 'Cause
They're so small.
oh, yeah. I knew they were going to come right by us. Look at that! Wow! Wow!
It's right.
Yes!
Look at that. Hi guys.
Ah!
As if they're gonna wave back. Hi. Hi friends.
I knew this was going to happen.
Then everyone comes.
Yeah, now they're gone. Yeah, gone. Yes. Yay! Woo! Yeah. Wow. Oh, dinner time. Wow. Oh, wow. Yes. We are at the waterfalls on a big old tour, and we are headed on a trek to see an amazing waterfall.
This is also the clove tree.
Ah.
You can smell from the leaf. You can
Oh.
smell it.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Smell
This
it.
is, the
Clove.
Clove tree. On the left side.
Smells so good.
This is the cloves.
Wow.
Normally we use the bean.
Yeah.
We use the bean. Wow, it smells so good. We use the bean for the cooking.
Yes.
For the tea.
Yeah.
And then normally a lot of people use during the Christmas.
Yes.
For
Yes.
the hot wine.
Yes.
Yeah. For the make
Mulled
drink.
wine. Yes.
So you walk on the left side. No, sometimes, but sometimes I mix with. We have traditional drink. We call arak. Okay.
Oh, arak. Yes.
Yeah, we call arak. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, they stay there. We call arak. We mix this. This is for the warm our body. Okay?
Ah. Wow. Oh yeah.
This is almost ready to harvest.
Right.
Yeah. You see, this is now they already hard.
Yeah.
The rice.
Wow.
Yeah. We waiting until they come to be yellow.
Yeah.
We're gonna harvest manual by
Okay.
hand.
Okay.
And not use the machine.
Right.
We're gonna cut it by hand.
Wow.
After that we're gonna shaking.
Yeah.
For the bean falling on like this.
Yeah.
After that we're gonna dry.
Wow.
This is almost 3 months.
Okay.
Yeah, waiting around 1 month to come. This is ready.
Yeah.
From grow until ready to harvest around 4 months.
Okay.
And then some also still hard. Yeah, normally on the beginning the rice will become like a milk first.
Ah.
When we fresh, they like milk coming out.
Wow.
After older, they will be coming harder.
Okay.
Yeah. like
Yeah.
that. We can eat the flower also.
Ah.
banana we can use all of things. We use the fruit, we use the leaf, we use the flower, and then also we use the root. Sometimes that was really nice for the soup.
Oh, for soup.
Yeah, the root.
What is this?
Banana.
Banana.
The young one,
The flowers.
you can open and then you can chop. You can make on soup.
The flower.
No, the flower
Oh.
also, the root.
The root.
Yeah, the
For
tree.
everything.
That's what we saw yesterday.
The flower.
You say-
And they feed the root to animals as well.
yeah.
Yeah.
Also we use for the cow, for
Yeah.
the pig.
Yeah.
like that. So like this is coffee, this is a robusta. Yeah. This is little bit strong caffeine. And then the season like in June, July, August in the end. And then after they come to be red, this is ready to harvest. After all this is come to be red, we're gonna harvest, we're gonna dry until 1 month to dry. And then after we shaking, we heating the bean. Is it ready to dry? We're gonna separate with the machine. We take the green bean. After the green bean, we're gonna roast it. If still green bean, smell is nothing. After you roast it, you can smell like coffee. Yeah. And also we have Arabica.
Oh, yeah.
Arabica is little bit less caffeine.
Yeah.
And then but the tree is not like this. The tree just only one tree like that, and then just only have like this. And then the fruit is less than robusta. You can already hear it.
Yeah, I can hear it. Oh, we got puppies. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness.
Thank you.
Wow. Ilona is good.
This is definitely what I sent you a picture of. Oh, I'm gonna cry.
So this is nice because come from two different water. On the left side come from the river. This is like from the mountain, and this is from the spring.
Ah.
So like the water coming from the top there, then falling down. During we have really big rainy, sometimes we're gonna see two color of water. On the left side will become to be muddy,
Ah.
and this is all the time will be wet like that. And this is Fiji. We have 3 waterfall there, and then all the water coming from the river. And then we have one more on the corner there. We
Ah.
call hidden.
Ah.
See from here. Over there we have one waterfall, and then we have like a pool. Let's see.
Okay.
Because yesterday the water a little bit big,
Okay.
but today I don't know.
Yeah.
Let's check. Maybe on the beginning we're gonna visit Fiji. After from Fiji we're gonna go to Sekumpul. From Sekumpul to the hidden and then back up. Yeah. We're gonna see some more.
Arabica.
This is Arabica, you know. This is almost ready to harvest.
Right.
The tree like this, the leaf is smaller, and then this is the bean.
Ah.
If it already coming to be red, this is really easy to open, you see. And
Wow.
this is the green bean, but this is not smelly yet. You can smell, it's not ready smell. Yeah. We must to be Uh,
You cannot eat.
no.
It smells like green peas.
Yeah,
They're green.
but it's not possible to eat. But smell is nothing.
Good. And get, thanks. This is the experience of a lifetime. Look at the root of this tree. Wow. Yeah. Dee Dee just said to me, "You ready?" And I'm like, "I'm not ready. We're about to see the final waterfall. I don't even want to look at it." Oh, look at this. Wow. They're screaming again. Must be something good down here. after the waterfalls. Whole line of us.
David, your butt looks amazing.
Yeah. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Bye. See you at the top. Woohoo! There she goes. Final dinner. Look at this traditional Balinese celebration dinner. Gorgeous. Wow, what an experience this has been. Absolutely incredible.